Okie dokie now. If you'd ever seen one about the Inca. Me matching call. Film pop it pop. Gosh darn it, Ricky. What'd I tell you about finding a spot to hang that thing? Yeah, bada bada hang pang pang pang. And him, huh? And
well, I was going to hang it right here, but the factory screw broke inside that wood. So there you have it. I'm gonna use real screws, some real ones, not some little factory dinks. Okay, so there's your warning. Those things are probably gonna break if it's new wood. If it's rotten wood and it's all wet and moldy and it's soft and you can squeeze the wood, then those screws will probably go in, but otherwise you're gonna ruin your new stuff. So put good screws in there. Factory screws are junk. But anyway, there it is. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm actually gonna move it now because I have a new idea that first you have to use both hands. I'm using one hand now, and you can grab your pliers and take that screw out, lefty-loosey, just like that, without a head on it, okay? Without tearing your wood up too much, and then you can put some putty in there. I won't need to because this will be covered in the future with the dish cleaning area, new cabinetry that I'm gonna build. So anyway, this is how I'm taking that screw out. I've almost got it now. And I'm gonna set this down and we'll be right back. And there it is. You can see that's the rod right there. I put 2 screws in it, all right? And there you have. Looks really nice. And one of my tallest dishes is this one. So it would set in right here on my dish thing. And there is right above it, okay? So it's not all interfering with each other. So just measure your stuff, make sure you like where you're putting it. And for me, that's where it's gonna go. If you've been following along, here is the kitchen that I've built. This whole entire kitchen, including the plumbing and everything, is under $500. All brand new, very solid. This is no dinky thing here. This is gonna be very nice, especially just for a piece of paper to hold on there. Let me see your leg.